Welcome to my YouTube channel, Prabhu Edu. Children, welcome to my YouTube channel, Prabhu Eduguru. It's a e-learning center. Listen to know. Children, in today's class, we're going to discuss the 12th chapter of your social subject. The name of the lesson it is The Kakatiyas Emergence of a Regional Kingdom. Introduction. Children, you maybe have listened to many balladas and stories about the bravery kings and martial skills of Brahmanayadu, Balachandrudu and 66 heroes. You may have also participated in the jatras dedicated to Sammaka and Saraka. They fought against armies of kings to protect the rights of the tribal people. Children, all these bravery stories are related to the period of from 1000 Common Era to 1350 Common Era. So this is the period when some historical incidents happen. So you maybe hear some bravery stories from your parents and grandparents. In the previous chapter we learned that how the Samantas or provisional heads or Rattadis, that means the regional heads, they declared themselves they are the independent kings and the particular regions under their control and the regions later known as the kingdom. So same way Kakatiyas also, they are the provisional heads or Samantas of Western Chalukyas. So when they got power of wealth and army, they declared themselves as the independent kings. Like this was a very important period in our history. The previous chapter we read about the ruling families, they emerged all over the India, not only South India. And all over the India, the same things have happened. The provisional heads, they declare themselves they are the head of the region or they are the king of the particular region. So which is later known as the kingdom. These rulers sought to establish small kingdoms or agriculturalists and enable their herders followers to settle down as agriculturalists. And what is their duty? To collect the revenue of the particular regions and to rule the region. Thank you. Important Kakatiya rulers. Rola II from 1116 to 1157 Common Era. Rudradeva from 1158 to 1195 Common Era. Ganapati Deva from 1199 to 1262 Common Era. Rudramadevi from 1262 to 1289 Common Era. Prataparudra II 1289 to 1323 Common Era. Literature works. This was also the time when the first book in Telugu were written. According to the tradition, Srimad Andhra Mahabharatam in the first poetic work in Telugu which was composed by Kavitrayam. The Trinity poets Nannaya, Tikkanna and Irupagada between 1000 and 1400 Common Era. We have a large number of inscriptions, Bhayaram, 1000 Pillar Temples, Nagalapadu, Pillalamari, Palampet, Kondaparthi, Bhutpur, which tell us about the activities of the kings, queens, chiefs, farmers, herders and traders. Sanskrit and Telugu works. Vidyanta wrote Prataparudra Yashabhushanam during the Kakatiya rule. Some works also written after the end of their rule, like Vinabakonda Vallabhacharya Kridabharamamu, Ekmanas Prataparudra Charitramu, etc. Origin of Kakatiyas. According to the inscription and literature, the Kakatiyas trace their lineage to certain Durjayas. They also adopted Telugu as a favored language of the court. Most of their inscriptions are in Telugu and they call themselves as Andhra Rajas. They also shout to bring together the three regions in which Telugu was spoken: the present coastal region, Telangana region and Rayalaseema region. In this manner, the Kakatiyas tried to build a Telugu regional consciousness. Became a ruler. The early members of the dynasty began their career as warriors and samantas of Rashtrakutas and Chalukya kings who were ruling in Karnataka. They held the post of village heads called Rattadi and through their military skills became army chiefs, samantas, etc. and gradually gained control over Hanamakonda in Telangana. The Kakatiyas emerged as independent rulers after the fall of the Western Chalukyas. During Rudradeva's rule, From 1158 to 1195 Common Era, the capital was shifted from Hanamakonda to Orugulu, the present Warangal. The new city was laid out with a plan to accommodate the growing city population and to address the needs of the imperial capital. Rudradeva built a big fort, tank and temple called Thousand Pillar Temple in Hanamakanda. As the Kakatiya king became powerful, they were able to persuade many chiefs to accept them as their king. The Kakatiyas protected their Samantas subordinates from the other warriors and chiefs. The Samantas will then went to conquer other kingdoms. Rudramadevi. Have you heard of a brave woman ruler by the name of Rudramadevi? She was a powerful and successful ruler who impressed one and all with her abilities. Rudramadevi ruled from Orugulu, modern Warangal, and belonged to the famous Kakatiya family. She ruled from 1262 to Common Era to 1289 Common Era for nearly 27 years. A famous traveler from Italy called Marco Polo visited Rudramadevi's kingdom and said that she was fearless, dressed herself like a man, and rode horses with ease. In fact, in inscriptions, Rudramadevi was known as Rudradeva Maharaja. Rudrama and her grandson Prataparudra faced many revolts and took several steps to control the chiefs. But Kaishuta Ambadeva, one of her subordinates, revolted against her in the war that took place at Chandupuatla in Nalgonda district. Rudramadevi lost her life. Thanks for watching, Sheila. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. So this is the part 1 of the 12th lesson. Later on you will get the part 2 of the same lesson. Thank you.